So we just packed up the bikes. Now we're going to check out where the G. But first, we're going to get a coffee. Standard. Right. Look at them fucking things.
It's like a you can literally, it's like a perfect picture in the water.
This is a rare occurrence, but time for the drone. These boys are fucking shitting the brick. Are you qualified to operate this?
Absolutely not.
Never seen again.
That's my fear.
Well, we didn't drown the drone anyway. It's a good start. We're gonna have coffee and a bite to eat here. Back on the bike to Queenstown, which is about an hour away. Wait. It's fucking pretty nice. It's pretty nice, mate.
Wallabies! 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 Woo!
So we're just cruising along at 58 k's an hour and we had 3 motorbikes come flying past us.
Flying.
And it's like, holy shit!
Scared the life out of me. They probably think we're like 2 little grannies.
Aye. We fucking are.
Because we were just trucking along. Oh shit.
Right.
Down to 40 k's. Because we were like on these roads, like there are a lot of bends, very short roads, so they just came out of nowhere and went pum pum pum. And I was like, holy shit, what's happening?
I didn't even realise. I'm just enjoying cruising, taking in the scenery. And then I seen them go past, I was like, oh, that looks fun actually. And then it's like, we're like 2 grannies, and I'm like, we are like 2 fucking grannies, what are we at? But it's nice.
They were flying.
They were sitting there. Fair play.
And they were getting sideways.
Dragging their knee, yeah.
They'd get round the island in no time. I just still get very nervous on the bends.
Yeah, that's the best part.
That the bike's just gonna fall over like a goat that got shocked. Insert clip of goat getting shocked. Shocked, not shot. I'm just scared it's gonna slide out from underneath me.
The bends are the best part. You need to do a track day.
Don't know what I need. Matthew's about to do something stupid, I feel like. Oh, I thought you were going to try to do a 6 skiddy or something.
10 minutes on the bike and she's fried.
Take it in the nature. What is it?
It's a fly.
That's alright then. I feel like a fucking Teletubby or something kind of suit. Just like, can't walk, can't move.
But you're warm?
Yeah, I'm warm. Woo! I was trying to get out of here. I was trying to go over there. Oops. These are my stabilising wheels. Matthew, I'm behind you now, be careful. Just looking for a safe way to get out of here.
What the fuck is going on? Did I lose his fucking wheel? Fucking wheel fell off. We're gonna check into our accommodation.
It was returned to Queenstown in 1904 and assembled in the foyer.
Doesn't look level. Nice. Beware of trannies.
Modern bathroom.
So we've just arrived to accommodation, checked in, and we didn't ride that far, rode for an hour, and the roads were beautiful and hilly, but Liz wasn't too confident on the bike and she was a little bit scared.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about it?
No.
You done really well.
Thanks.
I'm very proud of you. So we're gonna get some food now and just chill out for the day.
I might see if there's any cool to see or go or something.
Yeah.
Should we listen in?
Nah, bollocks. We're already in here, but we're going back for food and possibly a coffee. Because I'm addicted to caffeine and motorbikes. Dinner with a view. Well, it's Queenstown. Doesn't look like there's a lot going on here, but it's surrounded by mountains and stuff. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. The nature behind the mountain is lovely. It's very quaint, if that's the right word.
Quaint. I don't know what that means. Sophisticated word. There's a dog.
Coffee and toasties. We're crossing up in New Zealand.
Yeah. Just being in Tas makes me want a more adventurous bike. More of an adventure bike. Like, look at all these bikes. That's what you want there in the end, Liz?
Oh, I was looking at those rainbow walkabouts.
That's what you want, Liz?
Yeah.
Just taking a little ride up on the way to on the road out that we're going to do tomorrow. Because Liz was a bit scared on the road in, so I thought I'll show her the road out on her bike, show her what it's capable of. It's pretty tight. It's a pretty windy road, isn't it? Yeah. And Liz is a bit scared. But,
And then Matthew stalled on a bend.
yeah, well, I was trying to pull in, which isn't ideal. So we ended up here now, so we're going to have a wee look. Where are we? Iron
Blowhole?
Okay.
Think that's bad to do.
Maybe. Can't resist. Lost it.
Where'd it go?
I just heard it, I didn't see it.
Yeah, it didn't hit the water anyway. Where were they? Where are they?
Got back to our accommodation and they don't have parking.
Why?
And
I look like Mary. Oh.
Mary had a little lamb. They don't have parking, so it was street parking, which I didn't like, so I asked them if they can park around the back. So I'll show you the setup now. Aaron's up there somewhere. The bikes are in there, and I've had to dig a little hole because that's a bit of a slant, so the bike wasn't sitting right, so I had to dig a wee hole.
In the morning, Matthew's just going to jump up here and then jump down there.
Parkour.
Parkour.
Alright, time for bed.
You nearly dug your way to the next.
Oh fuck, we're in a mining town, aren't we? I wonder if I should take Liz's battery out and charge it, because we may have a big day tomorrow of riding, because not many places to stop between here and Hobart, wherever we're going. What do you reckon?
Hey?
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever that means. Back. Sorry?
I'm just here to look
Well, you're doing a good job. Oh shit. What have you got there?
My battery. It is a bombshell. Every time I carry this in somewhere, I feel like
You're in the
suspicious.
IRA. I feel like you're in the IRA, do you? Still sick, are you?
It's lingering.
Sick of my shape.